With rising energy costs and the growing demand of infrastructure by generative AI, it's becoming more and more important to know if your IT estate is sustainable. Without tools to measure, analyze, and report your carbon footprint, you can only guess what impact your IT decisions are having on your business and on the rest of the world. In this demo, I will show you HP Sustainability Insight Center. This is HP's cloud-based reporting tool available on HP GreenLake that can help you measure, analyze, and report on the sustainability of your IT estate, including your carbon footprint, energy costs across your entire IT infrastructure, on-prem and public cloud included. Once you log in into HP GreenLake, you'll find the green launch button on the Sustainability Insight Center tile. Clicking the launch button presents you with the choice of which instance of the service you want to launch. From the drop-down list, you can see HP Sustainability Insight Center service has been deployed in 4 regions: Asia Pacific Northeast, European Union Central, European Union West, and the United States West. For the sake of the demo, I'll just use the US West region since that's the closest to my current location. From this view, you can see the carbon emissions, energy consumption, and energy costs for our on-prem infrastructure. These are the default graphs. However, you can customize what graphs appear on your dashboard, including aggregated based on locations. You can hide the graphs that are less meaningful to you, and you can even customize which order they appear on the screen. To help you isolate usage trends, you can change the date range to focus on weeks, months, or on a specific date range. From the device table, you can see the infrastructure resources contributing to the total values found in the graphs. This includes type, location, and the total energy consumption for each device. This is how you can actually determine operating costs and make better life cycle decisions for your infrastructure. Sustainability Insight Center's interactive charts also make it easier for you to understand the impacts across various device categories. You can personalize and simplify your user experience by using custom tagging and device grouping. This allows you to filter and organize what data is shown in the usage table. You can even customize the column order in your table. In addition to date ranges, you can also create custom filters that allow you to filter by location, device, resource types, including your compute, storage, and networking gear. You even have the option to filter by make, model, and the relevant tags. Identify high energy consuming devices, what models they are, and which locations are being impacted has become the most simple with HP Sustainability Insight Center. And for those of you who want to do some advanced analytics, but you prefer using your own business analytics tool, you can use the Export CSV feature to download the supporting data. Now let's talk about the cool part. Not only you can see all these metrics for your on-prem assets, you can also see how your public cloud services are doing, giving you a complete view of your sustainability landscape. By switching to the public cloud tab, you can see how your IT landscapes located in major cloud providers are doing with the carbon emissions. This includes AWS and Azure, and you'll see the major cloud providers being added in the future. Just like the on-prem experience, you can see a unified device summary table for your public cloud providers as well. This feature does require an Opsram license, but once you see how simply it provides insights into your cloud landscape, you are going to want that license. With the latest release for HP Sustainability Insight Center, we also added a service that identifies your power anomalies in your energy usage at the device level. This anomaly detection feature provides real-time insights of compute and storage devices to help you make informed IT sustainability decisions on how to improve operational efficiency and reduce costs. HP is constantly introducing new features to the Sustainability Insight Center. These new features can be found under Data Configurations tab. One of these new features is Contextual Help. This feature provides you with immediate and relevant assistance based on where you are in the application. This significantly reduces the time needed to find answers when you are trying to quickly solve a problem. 3 new features are related to data sources, cost and carbon coefficient configuration, and data import. From Data Sources tab, you can see all the data sources supplying metrics to HP Sustainability Insight Center. This includes Aruba Central that supplies data for the networking infrastructure equipments, Compute Ops Management which provides data from our HP servers, Data Services is a service that supplies data from the storage devices, and of course OpsRamp that can provide metrics from the equipment from multi non-HP vendors. Global sustainability data has typically been gathered from devices and aggregated as a global value. For instance, HP leverages the global carbon coefficient values from the World Bank database. While this aggregating practice is helpful, it is still limited to a global coefficient value. If you are like many of our customers who want real-time data, you want to see your carbon coefficients and energy costs dynamically. You want to know how your usage is impacting your business to help you be more effective at negotiating those power pricing and purchasing agreements. When you click on the Add Cost and Carbon Coefficient button, you can include details for your own power agreements so you can see those real cost values. You can also add specific costs for different locations of your IT landscape. When was the last time you were able to accurately account for your carbon and energy consumption for your data centers? If you are like most companies, they haven't had a first time. Let me show you the third most important feature, which is around data import. Let me first say, you should actually have OpsRamp because it will significantly simplify gathering data and help you manage and forecast your IT infrastructure beyond your HP gear. But with HP Sustainability Insight Center data import feature, you can now upload your IT operations data from any item vendor so it can be included for your aggregated views. Before we leave the Data Configuration tab, let me show you how you can set those global currency preferences. This selection allows you to select those top 30 global currencies so you can localize your own financial reporting. Just think, with a simple selection, you can easily check on how you are doing on meeting your business's sustainability goals. If your company is concerned about sustainability and wanting to see how they are really doing, you should check out HP Sustainability Insight Center.